Hello Team Flower, my name is Linda Doan. I own Aunt Willies Wildflowers here in East Tennessee, and I'm about to tell you all you need to know about netting dahlias. Okay, this is our dahlia setup, and the supplies that you need are T-posts, which are heavy-duty posts. We drive in with a post hole driver where we just pound it on the post hole and down in the post, and we have these are actually tobacco stakes. We have this Hortonova or 10X netting that you can Google online, or you can find it at Nolts, N-O-L-T-S. It has 6-inch squares, and we separate it with this tobacco stake at the end to keep it wide. We have a lower row and a higher row. And these dahlias, these are just starting to bloom, and you can see they're already up through the second row. So when wind comes and blows, we don't have to worry. They come up through the first row, through the second row of netting, and will not topple. We will deep cut them, or they might even topple. We've had them get so big that they'll topple 2 rows of netting. So we try to keep them at a workable length. But a very good system, when you have 700 dahlias in the ground, you don't want to have to be staking each one. This allows you to mass stake and does it very well and allows you to cut very easily.